Welcome back to Boosted.Tech. Today, we're taking a look at the new Windows 11 26H1 preview build number 28000.1, which just landed in the Canary Channel. Now, if you're expecting new UI changes or new features you can instantly play with, hold up, because this update is a bit different. This build is mainly focused on what's happening underneath the system. Think of it as Microsoft preparing the runway for the next generation of Windows devices. So, what exactly is new here? The biggest thing is platform changes. Windows is being tuned to support new types of processors and hardware that are coming soon. And when I say new processors, I don't mean just a small upgrade. I'm talking about the next wave of chips like Qualcomm's new Snapdragon processors built for Windows ARM laptops, and even some new silicon from NVIDIA and other manufacturers that haven't fully hit the mainstream yet. This build basically adds support for those architectures, so that when new laptops start releasing in the next year, Windows will already run smoothly on them. Now, if you install this build yourself, you won't see those new devices because they're not out yet. So on your PC, it's going to look almost exactly the same, but the difference is in the performance and compatibility layer. Microsoft is improving how Windows manages system resources, power usage, and hardware communication. This is the type of update that helps Windows feel smoother and faster on new hardware in the future. This also ties into Microsoft pushing Windows on ARM more seriously. Windows has been on ARM for years, but it hasn't always been great because performance and app compatibility weren't consistent. But the new Snapdragon chips, especially the X Elite series, are promising laptop-level performance that can compete with Apple Silicon. So this build basically says, okay, Windows is getting ready for that shift. In the next year or two, you're going to see more thin, quiet, power-efficient Windows laptops that don't need fans and still perform well. Also, this build being in the Canary Channel means it's still very early. The Canary Channel is the raw testing zone for Windows. This is where Microsoft experiments. Features can appear, disappear, break, and get reworked. So if you're thinking of installing it, definitely don't do it on your main PC. Expect bugs, missing features, and random issues. This is mainly for testers, developers, and people who like playing with early builds. Something else worth noting is that the 26H1 naming suggests this is the major update planned for the first half of 2026. So yeah, we're very ahead of schedule. Microsoft usually starts building the core system long before the visual or user-facing features are added. So all the cool stuff, the UI changes, new features, new animations, maybe even some redesigns or AI features, will roll out later on top of this foundation. So, to wrap it up, Windows 11 Build 28000.1 isn't about what you can see, it's about what's being prepared underneath. This update is getting Windows ready for the next generation of laptops and CPUs, especially ARM-based systems, which are going to be a big part of Windows going forward. Expect more stability, better efficiency, and better performance on future devices. But regular users won't really notice anything different yet. That's the rundown. If you want to see more updates like this, breakdowns, guides, and performance tests, make sure you're subscribed to Boosted.Tech. Let me know in the comments if you want me to test this build or show how it performs on ARM laptops once those devices start hitting the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.